Welcome to today's online web session on the topic of management of warranties from multiple hardware manufacturers. My name is Alex Aschauer and I work in business development at Versa.io. For today's web session, I was able to win our head of development, Matthias Scholze, and our CTO, Matthias Scholze. Today, we would like to present an approach how you can capture and manage multi-manufacturer warranties for IT devices like a server, host, workstation, network device, mobile devices, etc., etc. Please note that we will record this online session and please ask your questions in the chat. We will answer them at the end of the web session. And now the stage is set and ready for Matthias and Fabian.
Thanks, Alex, for the introduction. Warranty data and status are mostly offered for hardware by the manufacturers via an API. Warranty data is important to consider in IT service management and IT governance processes. The focus regarding hardware in a company is mostly on computers in the form of servers, workstations, laptops. Furthermore, of course, mobile devices, networks, devices, printers, cameras, etc. The main motivation for the warranty is that I want to ensure availability or, in the event of failure, mean time to repair. For security reasons, the type of warranty should also be evaluated. For example, sending a piece of hardware to the manufacturer is not only time-consuming, but also poses a security problem in terms of business data on the device. And a warranty ensures the repairability of a piece of hardware so that I can use it longer and more sustainable. If I have the warranty data available, then I get the following added values. Always up-to-date hardware warranty data as well as its change history. In other words, it's the best possible transparency about the hardware in use. With the data, we ensure that the analyzability of the warranty data. For example, warranty types can be analyzed to adjust security and recovery times to business requirements. We can identify expiring warranties and notify you accordingly. Based on the data, you can plan warranty extensions based on criticality. Hardware without an existing valid warranty can be targeted for non-production and non-critical environments. So how we can put this into practice? With Versa.io, we offer an asset and configuration inventory. This is an extended CMDB. This is able to data mine or to capture all the necessary information about a host. For the collection, it is necessary to install a one importer. It's a kind of agent on the host, or to be able to query the host remotely via SSH. It is crucial to capture the hardware serial number. This is the basis for querying the warranty from the manufacturer. These are usually REST API calls for which customers require custom-specific authentication. We currently support warranty queries for the manufacturers Dell, Lenovo, and Intel. More will follow soon. In Versa.io, we can process the manufacturer warranty data. Among other things, we can perform checks on all levels of warranty data. For example, we can data mine which device will lose their warranty status in the next 3 months. We can integrate corresponding hardware warranty events directly into your existing DevSecOps or ITSM toolchain. This can include email and chat notification. Furthermore, incident tickets can be created. Ready-to-use integrations are available here to ServiceNow, Jira, GitHub, and GitLab. As a last option, we can also export the manufacturer warranty and other CMDB solutions. A ready-made approach is available here for ServiceNow. So I hope I have give you the basics and conceptual insights into how we handle manufacturer warranties at Virtual.io. Now we would like to show you in a live demo how easy it is to integrate, analyze, report, and verify warranty data. Fabian, the stage is yours.
Thanks. So we will switch to our platform, to our browser. So now we are here in our Virtual solution, and I will just jump right into our instance viewer. So we are here in an environment with a couple of hosts, and we will take one of them, and I will show you, like Matthias did in the slides. We have here the actual state of one host. It's a real physical machine. And as Matthias said, we have detected some important information for today here. We have the serial number of this specific device, and we know it's an Intel machine. So the manufacturer is Intel. With this two information, we can query the warranty data from Intel itself, and we decided to add the warranty information right into the instance state. That allows us to detect also the changes of the warranty, and we can use all the warranty informations in all our Virtual.io solutions and mechanisms. So the warranty here says, for example, that had a start date from some years ago and an end date. And we can see this specific device has no warranty right now because it is expired at the start of the year. Here we see it only for one device, but as I said, we can use this in all of our solutions. So I prepared a little data reporting, and it's quite simple. It just says, take a look at all hosts and filter it for Intel devices. So we see a table with all our Intel hosts, and the important information here is the start and the end date of the warranty. We have an overview about all our host instances from Intel, and see here's our PVE Node 2 host we have looked into, and there are two other hosts that are in the warranty timeframe. But there's also another one that has no warranty right now. That's just an example for Intel. That's also possible for Dell or Lenovo. And we can not only do the data reporting, we also can go into our governance, risk, and compliance. And there I created a simple rule, just also for checking the warranty. And the rule just says, check if it's an Intel host, just for lower the scope right here in the example, and check if the host has warranty. And our governance says, okay, there are two hosts that have no warranty right now. For the example, the rule is quite simple here. We can also say, inform me if it's 2 weeks before or 2 months before. And because of the fact that we store the warranty right into the instance change, we can use all of our solutions to work with this data. How to get this data right into Virtual.io? So as Matthias said, the specific manufacturers provide an API to query this data. The most manufacturers don't publish this API to the public. So we have some authentication, and we try to make this quite easy for you to integrate the different vendors. So most of the time, the vendors say you have to request an API token from them. Therefore, they have a website, and you have to do it from your customer side, from your company side, request your company specific API token. After you get this, you just have to add a credential in our credential vault, and yeah, you have to put it right into the username and password fields, and then just say what kind of warranty token that is. And that's all. After some seconds to minutes, your host starts to change and get the information we have shown you. And that's it.
It's easy.
It's easy and automated.
Cool. Okay, then Alex, I will give you the stage back.
Thank you. So thank you very much. Before you ask your questions in the chat, let me please summarize just what we have just seen. With a minimum of configuration effort, the integration of the manufacturer warranty query can be set up. The warranty data is automatically recorded and continuously updated. Changes to the warranties can be easily detected in Version.io. This can be, for example, warranty extensions or change conditions on the part of the manufacturer. Warranty data can be analyzed and reported, for example, to facilitate investment planning or the control of service providers. And you can be notified before or when a warranty expires. From our side, we plan to provide further manufacturer warranty integration as part of customer projects. Existing candidates are IBM, Hewlett-Packard, and the market-leading network vendors. Thank you for your interest and your time, and now it's time for your questions.